Hey guys, it's Keisha with Make Money from Home, Work from Home, Side Hustle Keisha. Listen, you guys, I have 12 hours to do 3 side hustle a day. I talked about this company before. You guys, listen, I want to show you how I'm going to make a quick $45 this Sunday right down the street from my house. But before I do that, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe and like this video, share with a friend. Make sure you subscribe so you're in the know every time I upload a new video about making quick money, whether it's from home, whether it's cool side hustles you can do while you're running your errands. That's what we're going to be talking about, or making passive income from home. You guys, you know, this channel is all about making money on your own terms, okay? So I'm going to show you three videos I'm going to do with ProductTube. We talked about ProductTube before. So listen, here is the instructions. You must shop for at least one of the following types of adult vitamins, okay? Minerals, supplements, videos made about with kid products will not be accepted. So we're going to be doing adult multivitamins for either the brain health, joint health, omegas, heart health, stress, mood, or anxiety. I have to go to one of these 3 stores. Y'all, Walgreens is across the street from my house. I can walk there, okay? CVS is down the street, okay? I'm going to be going to CVS because they have 2 opportunities to do make some quick money in CVS today. So I'm going to be doing 2 videos. This is the other one that I could do, I believe in. Is this one I can do in CVS? Wait a minute, let's see. Okay, so this is another one I can do in CVS. You've been selected to participate in a project because you indicated that you plan on purchasing gum on a shopping trip. So you should only make a video for this project if you are planning to buy gum. So here is the gum video. Well, the stores that you can go to purchase the bump. I'm going to CVS already, you guys. So that's another $15. I'm going to make that video. And it tells you the instruction when you click apply. Let me go ahead and click apply. So I apply. And then it tells you the instruction. Your video must be made at the checkout lane. Videos made at other retailers or in the candy aisle will not be accepted. Okay. So it has to be made in the checkout lane. Okay. So the gum's up front. Please start your video as you're approaching the checkout lane. Tell us the store name. You must evaluate each of the products listed below as you select the right gum for you. So extra refreshers, icebreaker, ice cubes, Tic Tac gum, and Trident. Below are pictures of each product that must be evaluated. Please note any flavor of the below products can be evaluated. So these are the ones we're going to be looking for when I go to CVS, you guys. Here goes the instruction. Please narrate your decision-making process with the respect to the following. What do you think about these gum? So, and then have you seen or heard of them? How did you hear about them? How do these products compare to what you typically buy? Do you like or dislike the packaging? What about the package catches your eye? How do you feel about the price? Let's see, flavors, variety. What do you think of the flavors available? What else helps you make your purchase decision? Will you be purchasing the gum today? If yes, which products are you purchasing and why are you choosing them? And if you will not be buying any gum, please tell us why. We must see and hear this video. So when you click record, just so you guys know, when you click record, the instructions, there's going to be a little window where you can see your video, but then that way you can still scroll through here and see the instructions so you don't leave anything out. So don't get discouraged. So I applied for that one and let's see, that's the gum one. This one is, you must be planning to shop for microwavable soup. So, and then you have to go to specific stores. So whatever state you live in, you scroll through here. I put one of the addresses that's really, really close to me in the maps. And I found out it's like around the corner. It's another, is it CVS or Walgreens? Down the street from me. Okay. So I'll be going there to do that. Like we'll be doing this on our way when we leave church because we have to pass right by all these stores. So that's a quick way you can make $45. I'm going to get Amazon money and Daryl wants this gigantic dinosaur costume for Halloween. And that's what I'm going to be purchasing with the money when I make it. You guys, quick, easy money. Listen, I'll show you the results when I come back after this video. So three tests that I can do today and make a quick $45. Just want to keep you guys in the loop. Download ProductTube to your phone and they just send you updates. As you can see during this video, I got a notification saying that there's a new test that I can do, and I'll make quick $45. This will pay for Daryl's Halloween costume, which is he wants to be a dinosaur Godzilla, and I already seen it online. He thinks he's getting two, he's only getting one. But I'll be back and show you the results once I make these coins. Okay, real quick, out in the outing, just to get out the house, walk around CVS, had to go there anyway. See you guys in my next video. Bye. I'll see you in the continuation to this video. Okay, good. Bye-bye. Guys, it's Keisha's Get Your Money Monday. I just wanted you guys to see that yesterday I did 3 reviews. And look at my rewards. They added $55. I thought it was going to be $45, so I got extra $10 for the reviews I did yesterday. Just that easy. You guys better go get your money on ProductTube. Happy Money Monday. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I'm back. It's Keisha, continuing my breakdown and my review of ProductTube. So just to show you here, the money comes in Amazon, okay? So if you're an Amazon lover, this is even more perfect for you. You're going to earn money to use on Amazon. I buy everything from backpacks, school supplies, toys, household supplies for my son on Amazon. So it's a win-win for me. It's money I don't have to take out of my pocket and buy the things that he needs or he wants or for school. So whatever you want to use it for, vitamins, groceries, you get everything on Amazon. So here is just a proof that that I went and I went ahead and went to Amazon and I uploaded my $55. So just showing you guys some proof so you guys know that there's ways for you to make some extra coins out here. The sky's the limit. So just wanted to share this information with you. Make sure you guys subscribe, push the notification button, comment below, let me know how it works out for you. Share your success stories. We want to hear it, okay? Make sure you click on the link below if you're looking to make passive income, if you want to wake up in the morning to notifications on your phone saying that you've made money from the comfort of your home, or you want to be on vacation chilling with your family and make some passive income. Check out my link below in the description box. I'm my #1 way of making money from home. I have a #1 way of making money online. You guys click on the link, tell me what you think. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you get my free side hustle guide. Click on the link, 7 top side hustles. Click on that link. It's going to give you 7 top of the top leading side hustles out here in the internet streets. And I'll send you videos about those 7 top side hustles. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected so we can stay in the know of what's going on here in Make Money from Home world. Okay, you guys have a great night. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey guys, just wanted you guys to see a quick just a snippet of the video I did inside of CVS. This was the review I had to do on the gum. So just check it out so you guys get an idea. And when I went in the store, I didn't see the Tic Tac gum in the individual packs at first, but when I got back up to the counter, I saw them. So check out the video. Gum on aisle number between 4 and 5 is the middle aisle of the store. So where candy is, I do see the Tic Tac gum, but the Tic Tac gum comes in a 3-pack. So we have the refreshment, Fresh Mint Tic Tac, and then we have the Spearmint Tic Tac, and they come in 3 packs for $3.59. These are what they have on the out with all the other gums. This is not separate in a separate container, so they did not have the Tic Tac gum individually at the checkout. But I'm heading up to the checkout now. Okay. I haven't tried the Tic Tac gum. I've always tried regular Tic Tacs, but I'm looking forward to trying it today. So let's check out here. So here is the checkout. And here are the Tic Tacs, but there's no Tic Tac gum. There's no Tic Tac gum. This just says Tic Tac. It doesn't show the Tic Tac gum. I love the packaging though. Oh, here we have Tic Tac gum. Hey, we have the Tic Tac gum here. Oh, I love Spearmint Tic Tac gum. Okay, so we have the Tic Tac gum. We have the icebreakers here. We have the icebreakers here at checkout. And then we have our extra refreshers here. Comes in Polar Ice and Spearmint. And then we have our Trident Vibes. Trident Vibes, you have Peppermint Wave, Spearmint, which is my favorite kind of gun, Tropical Beet. Ooh, that sounds interesting. And ooh, lemon. I love lemon. So we have those here. So what I think, I love all the packaging for all the products. What do I think about the products? I haven't seen the Trident Vibes before or the Tic Tac gum. So hey guys, it's Side Hustle Keisha. So I hope you enjoyed my video and my review of product review. Hope you get on there and just make you some extra money during the weekend. Nothing heavy, nothing major. It's very simple. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification button, drop a comment below. Let me know how it went for you on ProductTube. And if you have any questions, drop them below. I'm here to help you, okay? I don't have a referral link for ProductTube. Just download it to your app. I don't make any money by sharing this information with you. My goal is to help you find ways to make money online, and get comfortable working online so that you look at other opportunities. So it opens your eyes to other opportunities online. Make sure you guys are following me on my YouTube channel. You know, I'm also on Facebook and I'm also on Instagram as Side Hustle Keisha. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.